Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide. So first of all, you're going to insert a text box and write a specific letter in it, an alphabet. We're going to duplicate the same text box about 5 to 6 times, and we're going to customize them and select all of them and give them equal spacing. So it's all right. Now what you're going to do is select all of them, distribute them horizontally and then vertically, and give it center alignment. You're gonna insert a rectangle that is the same width as the alphabets. Send it to the back and duplicate it, and then send it to the back of each of the individual alphabet. Select it, select the alphabet, and then the rectangle. Go to merge options and click on union. Here you go, select all of it and then group it. Now we're gonna go to fill. From here, we're gonna insert a picture in it. Now what you're gonna do is insert the picture in the background. You have to decrease its size. The next thing you're gonna do is just, well, let me tell you what you have to do. So select your image and you're gonna add it into their slide. Then you have to crop it into the same width you want it to be in your image. Then copy it and clipboard it into the shape. Give it the shadow of, and all you're gonna do is move it up or down. Now give them the same clipboard picture. So our template is complete. You can download the free template from the link in the description below.